Hey, this is Emily from Supplyhouse.com, and in this video, we'll talk about the Viega PEX Press PureFlow Polymer Fittings.
More efficient, more effective, and engineered with pros in mind. Streamline your next install job with Viega PureFlow Press Fittings. Viega PureFlow is the only system that features press-to-press fittings that transition from PureFlow PEX directly to ProPress in traditional branch and tee systems. Smart Connect technology allows installers to easily identify unpressed connections during system pressure tests, significantly reducing the chances of errors and leaks. With its remote manifolds, PureFlow allows each fixture in a building to have its own PEX tubing line, cutting down on complexity and making installations and repairs stress-free. PureFlow press fittings are available in sizes ranging from 3/8 inch to 2 inch, able to withstand up to 160 psi and temperatures up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit in water-based systems, or 200 degrees Fahrenheit for hydronic systems. PureFlow fittings can operate reliably in even the most demanding conditions. For exceptional durability and added safety in potable water systems, make sure to check out Viega's line of Zero Lead Bronze PureFlow fittings, available with fast shipping from Supplyhouse.com.
Click here to order yours today, and make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.